Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We had the awesomest sales on Saturday, and so I want to show you what exactly we sold and how did we have so many fantastic sales. So here are my sales. I'm super excited. I've sold 36 items in one day. Now don't worry, we're going to show you our technique at the end of this video, so stay tuned, but I definitely want to show you what sold so you can kind of get a grasp on what items sold and why and how, okay? So we're going to start out and I'll just start walking you through the things that sold. So here is a girl's Anora sock top metallic sneaker silver. I'll show you a better picture, but I did want to show you this page because right here it sold for $5 and you're thinking, oh yeah, if you sell everything for $5, of course you can sell 36 items, but it wasn't all for $5, and I'll tell you how that happened. But the Poshmark fee right here is $2.95, and then my earnings for this item was $2.05. So just remember, the number I give you at the end of this video for actual sales earned is going to be all of these numbers added up, my earnings. So everything will be after Poshmark fees, all right? So to get a better look at this item, this is exactly what it looks like. A girl's Anora sock top metallic silver sneakers. So we sold those on that one day. Then the next item that we sold is a New Day navy blue double-breasted blazer. Now if you notice, this is a black one, but the navy blue one is here, and so we sold the navy blue one. It sold for $8 in this particular sale. Then the next item we sold is a new without tags women's plaid fleece pajama bottoms for $6. Now you're probably not too impressed yet about some of these dollar amounts, but don't worry, we got some good ones coming up. Then we have an American Rag skinny mid-rise jeans. I want you to know, you see some things that we're selling for $5. That is my bottom of the barrel price. I never go less than $5 because it's just not worth it to package something and make less than that. So $5, normally we make $2.05 for the sale. So that's a little bit more worth my time when it doesn't take much. Some of these items I've had on there for a while, but I wanted you to know my bottom dollar is $5. I never sell anything for less than that, okay? So we sold those American Rag jeans. Then we have these Zenana, sorry, I had to look at it a couple of times. Premium cotton fold over yoga flare pants, $14. Now that's starting to look a little bit better, isn't it? Then we have these Cat and Jack kid shoes. Kid shoes are hard to move, but I sold a lot of adult shoes for much higher prices, so getting my money's worth out of these. I actually paid less than $5 for them, so don't worry, I did actually make a profit, but kid shoes never really sell well. So that's $5 was that. Then I have an Avid Love set of lingerie for $9. It's coming up to Valentine's Day. We've been selling a lot of our lingerie. Then we have a women's double-breasted wool blend coat that is burgundy in color. Look at this big bopper right here, 44 bucks. See, good dollar amount, isn't it? Aren't you curious how much my sale profit's going to be after fees? Don't worry, I'll tell you. Alrighty, then we've got Ava and Viv Sage Green straight and slim pants, and so these were sold for $6. Then I sold Zenana premium cotton fold over yoga flare pants, again just a different size, for $11. Then another pair of these women's plaid fleece pajamas bottoms for $6. Then a Mama Bear set of PJs, size 17, or not size 17, size large, for $17. I was super excited about the 17. I just had to spit it out. Then we have a pair of JBU wedge sandals, and on the same day I know I sold another pair of these, so don't worry, we're going to see these again. Those sold for $11 to that customer. Then we sold a Sociology women's Joan lace-up weather duck boots for $15. A $5 t-shirt that I had online that was Lucky brand. A Madden Girl Expedition women's hooded parka for $25. This was a bundle, so those Girls Anora sock that we sold right at the beginning, then another set of lingerie that is red, and then so we sold the shoes for $5, the lingerie for $8, and then this was awesome. We sold this for $39, this parka jacket. Then we sold a fur-lined basic moccasin slipper with memory foam for $18. And then this was a huge bundle of a lot of our $5 items, but hey, you know, it's going in one shipment, so it's not going to take that much work. And so we sold actually 12 separate items. So we had an active maternity tank top, a bra, pair of shoes, another bra, another one, then a swimsuit, then a pair of slippers, and then 3 more undergarments. Then there, like I said, we sold that JBU wedge sandals, but this pair sold for $15. Then this really cute pair of yoga pants with attached skirt sold for $12. 2 more items to go. Then we sold women's loose fit fleece joggers, a 2-pack for $30. And then last but not least, we sold an Alfani 3X side tie V-neck straight blouse for $12. So how much did I make in total? Well, I added it all up, 36 separate items sold in this batch for a total of $234.90 for 1 day of sales. So how in the world did I do this? Do you want to know my tips and tricks? Stay tuned, here they come. All right, I know you all want the secret to my success of all these sales on Saturday. So here we go. So I have this item on my closet. It's a Western blazer suit coat jacket, 48 long, and the color is brown. It's kind of a novelty item, so I can definitely see why it hasn't sold. Poshmark is kind of for the everyday wear. This one's kind of unique. So we've had it on there a couple of months, and so we're going to show you exactly what I do every single Saturday to every item on my Poshmark store. So let's just go here. So you go to the item. You can do this on your mobile device as well. So just watch the steps here, and you can do the same thing there. So you go to the offer, price drop. We want to make an offer to anybody who has liked this item. Now I do know that 4 people have hit the like or heart button on this item. So we're going to offer to my likers, okay? So if you're not sure how much to offer, there's a calculator here. We're going to just start with 10%, okay? It basically is calculating that from 54 to 48. We're going to apply that offer. Now, in order to send an offer, you always have to do a shipping discount. So we're just going to do the lowest shipping discount for $1.80. And it does adjust your earnings to $36.60 there, as you can see. So we're going to submit that and see. Congrats, your offer is currently being sent to your likers. Please note, to be successfully sent, it must be at least 10% below your lowest offer the last 90 days, okay? So if I've sent a lower offer to someone else, they're not going to get this offer, okay, because my previous offer was lower. So let's hit continue, and we're going to check our news feed. How many people did it actually go to? We're going to check the news feed. Your $48 offer with $4.99 shipping on this suit coat was not sent to any likers. Offer a lower price to notify likers. That confuses a lot of people. I just went through all that work. How come it didn't go to anybody? It's because we didn't offer something low enough. So what we need to do is we've got to lower the price and then send another offer, okay? You're usually limited to the number of offers that you send. So we're going to lower the price, change the dynamic here, and see if we can change how many people it's sent to, because nobody saw that. Information didn't go anywhere. So let's go ahead and price drop this, okay? I really want to get this gone. So we're going to edit the listing price. It jumps all the way down. This is the actual edit page, as you can see, but it jumps all the way down to the actual listing price. If you're not sure exactly how much, just click this calculator. It suggests a lower price, and this usually is the 10% mark. So we're going to lower it by 10%. So we're going to apply that price, changes it to $48, and then we simply click update, okay? And we hit list this item. You can do the same thing on your mobile device, like I said. So now we've got it at $48, and we can send another offer. Let's go ahead and make sure it goes to all the people who have liked it. So let's do a 30% off. I know I'm going crazy here. So we're going to do 30% off, which drops it from $48 to $33. We're going to apply that offer. We're going to select the $1.80 shipping discount. So now I'm only going to make $24.60, but we've had it forever. Let's get it sold. All right, submit that. Remember, it has to be lower than any offer you've sent to them in the last 90 days. We're going to hit continue. Let's see on the news feed if anybody got it. All right, we're going to click that news feed. Your $33 offer with $4.99 shipping on this suit coat was sent to 4 likers. So now everybody who has liked this coat actually gets a new offer on it, and it's sent to their Poshmark notifications, and hopefully they buy it. So this is one way that I get all of my discounts noticed by anybody who has had any interest in this item at all. So we do that to the entire store. It usually takes me an hour to an hour and a half. We currently have 455 items on our store, but it usually results in, every single Saturday we do this, it usually results in to 20 to 30 sales. And this last Saturday, it was 36 sales. So it's definitely working, and it keeps your closet all cleaned up, and you make lots of sales each weekend. So hopefully this technique works for you, and you can make tons of sales on Poshmark. This is how to increase your Poshmark sales. Have a super Saturday sale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, come with me. What are we gonna find? Hey, look! Subscribe to my channel. And there's even more of my videos. Or you could shop hooked on Pickin.